What's up everybody, Will here again. Just a little update video. How we going with our stock car rebuild? So, done a little bit of technical stuff I guess this week. I guess the biggest thing is we've got our motor sitting in there. So that's sitting in there. We've sort of done our bonnet pins. And we'll be working on a little bit on our gearbox bear housing sort of setup. Took out the sandwich plate and just rigged up this slave cylinder for the clutch. So that was kind of like the biggest techie thing I sort of was doing this week. And just dropped the motor in this morning. So it's not bolted in yet, but just got to do a few little things on our gearbox. Just got to take it off and weld the slave cylinder up again. And we've got our tin firewall. She's all in there. And so yeah, this week once we'll probably have the gearbox in there all sort of set up in there. Then we'll just start bolting things back together. And once we get that in there, and we know the sort of clutch is kind of working, then we can sort of just do our drive shaft covers, making plates for those. We'll probably bolt our inlet manifold up and set up our throttle and our accelerator pedal. Still got to mount this radiator grill. Oh, here we go, bit of a roll. Bodies are off getting painted up in the bonnet. So we'll hopefully, I'm not too sure when those will get done, but when they're back, we'll be able to show you those. And then probably weld these side plates on. Got to cut them up a little bit, but that'll be probably the next thing we'll probably be doing this week. So side plates, engine stuff, throttle, accelerator cable, and cover plates for inside there. And that's probably what we'll probably be getting up to this week. Bit of a rain out. We've had heaps of heavy rain this week. So there was no speedway got cancelled because the track was flooded, and forecasters for more rain all this week. So hopefully we get a few dry days and maybe they can go racing on Saturday. And because I'm really looking forward to watching, but yeah. Shame about that, but that's what we're up to and where we're at, and see you next week for our next update.